chicken breasts for Laura. These are going to be chicken supremes. You're asking me, why are you keeping the skin on? A, it's going to help keep the chicken moist, and B, it's going to give us something that's going to look really great and taste really great. You're not a fan of the chicken skin? Cook it this way, give it a try, and just take the skin off before you eat it. So what we're going to do is we're going to sear these chicken breasts, supremes. I'm seasoning both sides generously with salt and pepper. I have a pan heating up here. I've got the oven locked and loaded at 400 convection. And we're going to sear the skin really well here. Then we're going to finish cooking it in the oven. So we've got some grapeseed oil to go into our pan.
Grapeseed oil? Why grapeseed oil?
I'm choosing grapeseed oil because it's got a higher smoking point. As you can see, the oil is smoking now. We are going to place it into the pan presentation side down first. So our presentation side is our the side that's going to be on top. When you're searing or cooking, you're doing that side first, because the pan's at its optimal temperature, or the grill's at the optimal temperature to get those nice marks. So what we're going to do is we are going to just peek underneath the chicken, see how it's starting to get that beautiful color. This is a reaction between the hot pan, the oil, and your chicken. What I didn't do on camera was show you that I packed the chicken dry. Whenever you're cooking a protein, you want it to be as dry as possible. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of fresh thyme to our pan, just like that. Maybe give it a little yoo-hoo of a little olive oil. And then this is going into the oven. You can see we have nice color on the chicken. If you don't have fresh thyme, don't worry. That's just to make it look pretty for camera. Just pan sear, chuck in the oven. Let's check our chicken. We've been in for about 7 or 8 minutes. So what I like to do is use my finger, and it's still got way too much give to it. For me, I can tell pretty accurately how chicken is cooked just because I've cooked a lot of chicken. So these are probably going to need another 7 or 8 minutes. We've been in for close to 20 minutes on this chicken. Let's have us a look here. The temperature on our thermometer is 165. Perfect, so we are well cooked. Let's get this on the chopping block here. There we go. Add a little chicken stock to this, reduce it down, maybe a little white wine, and you got yourself an instant sauce, which is fantastic. So let's see what happened here. So what we're going to do is we're going to just slice this chicken breast. The skin has kept it nice and juicy, perfectly cooked, magnificent. No sides, no sauces. That can be in a different episode, but have a look at that. You can see the chicken is beautiful and moist. We can take a little bit of these pan drippings, put that over top, and that is a perfectly cooked chicken supreme chicken breast with the wing still attached for Laura. Bon appetit.